Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing great. Class 3. Subject Social Studies. Lecture number 5 from page number 5 and 6. Today we will learn about our society. Students, what is society? Students, people who live around us, and we can also say that society is that place where we all are living together. Students, look at this picture. Here is a boy. His name is Ahmed, and there is another person who is Ahmed's father, and his profession is a journalist. Students, do you know who is journalist? Journalist is the profession. Journalists are those people who write newspaper, magazines and collect so many information about the world, about a country's development. Journalists also serve a nation by giving knowledge and user skills about what's going on in a country. His father always said that do work hard to serve the country. Students, if we want to serve a country, so firstly we should get education and then try to use our skills and knowledge. We all can contribute to our society by educating ourselves. Students, as we all know that who is Ahmed's father? So tell me, who is Ahmed's father? He was a journalist. Yes, his father used to write magazines and newspaper for the people because we all are live in this society, so it's a duty to know about that what is happening in all around the world and which place are developed in all over the world. Students, Ahmed's father was satisfied for his patient because he thought that by this patient we can also help others. Same like Ahmed's father helping society. We should also do some type of work and duty which will help our country. Students, we should take our society neat and clean. Students, if we haven't people like that Ahmed's father, so how our nation will develop? That's why every society needs professional and skilled people to work hard to serve our country. Except journalists, there are so many professions are there. Here, one question arising that what is profession? Students, an occupation or activity in which one has some expertise, or you can also say a job. So here many professions are there like doctor, teacher, engineer, business persons, factory workers, computer operator, accountants, tailors, bankers, lawyers and etc. So many professions are there. Students, if we will fulfill the needs of our society and help one another and work together to resolve the issues of public, then our country and our society will be developed. Being a citizen of a country, we should serve our country. Students, we should follow the rules like we should pay taxes on time and follow the traffic rules. And we should be punctual if we want to serve our country, so we will have to work together. Because one man can't make whole nation, but the whole nation can make whole developed country. Students, it's all about today's lecture. I hope everything is clear to you. Thanks for watching. All the best.